Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. And you know what? It is time. It is time to talk about Zilliqa. We haven't spoken about Zilliqa for a little bit, but it's time to talk about it because its next bull run phase is literally around the corner. And it's been sitting, with the price just consolidating and just teasing us about the next run. But this next run is coming up. And so a couple of things that I want to do when it comes to Zilliqa. First of all, go check them out on LinkedIn because they are awesome on LinkedIn with the updates that they do, what they're up to, and how they go about things. And the reason why I bring these up first is because knowledge is power. And also knowledge, what it does is it allows you to, when things go down, like when the price goes down, it gives you that reassurance that you're onto a good thing, you're onto something. And so I'll, encourage you to check out the Zilliqa LinkedIn page and follow them because there's some really, really, really good things on here. So make sure you check it out. Now, I think the price of Zilliqa is about to blast, and I think it's going to be in a really, 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 really big way. And like I said, we've had the consolidation phase, and now that the consolidation phase is about to finish, we're really going to start to kick things off in a large way. So the setup over a long scale of time frame, we're talking from before 2019. If we look at this, it's about having patience. It really, this market, this game of crypto, whether it's just for holding or for trading, the biggest asset is not the amount of crypto you have right now, is your patience. Because this bull run is going to be legendary, but will you have the patience to hold? Or when your account is about to 2x or 3x, and then all of a sudden it starts to drop by like 50%. Will you have the patience to hold and see Zilliqa right through where it's going to be? Because this thing, it's going to $1. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This ain't financial advice. But I am researching every single day. I am on top of this every single day. And I cannot see a 2021 bull run where Zilliqa doesn't hit $1. I don't see it. Now you've got analysts and some specialists in the industry saying that it will go $5. Now, I want us to get to 1 before we talk about 5. But 5 would just be absolutely astronomical. And in the comments, I do want to know, when did you get into Zilliqa? How long have you been holding them? And at what price point did you get in? Not how much you have. Never tell people how much you have. It's a very, very bad trade to tell people how much you got. But at what price point did you get in? Be super curious to find out. And so let's overlook here. Where we're heading to, I think, if you were to have a strategy about take profits, I would go take profit 1 at around 32 cents, 35 cents. Take profit 2 at the $91 mark. And take profit 3. Now, this is heading into 2022 territory. This is not today. But take profit 3 at $3.80 and then take profit 4 at $12. Long into 2022. So this is a long term. Now, that doesn't mean that you just have to sit here and wait until 2022. What I'm saying is that there is a large scope for this. And now you going from 20 cents to 50 cents and thinking you got yourself a huge deal only to see this thing go to $12 next year, you'd kick yourself. That's why I come on here to explain this to you. And now, up to you completely how you play this, but for me, take profit 4 will be sitting at around that next year. So, scenarios for the month of April, May, June, July. So, July, I do have a very, very strong opinion that by July, we will be in the 68 cents, 70, even maybe 80 cents range before we consolidate for a little bit before we break into the dollar and beyond. But I want to give you this because it's good to have some indications around where we're going and where we are. So this month, I'm looking for 32 and above. Next month, I'm looking for 55 by the end of next month. And then, June, I can see quite a nice retrace happening before we kick off again for 68 cents and beyond. So kind of a roadmap about where we are, where we're going. And I do believe, with the numbers here, about what this could look like and whereabouts we're going to be heading. And the future looks bright, So again, from a time perspective, I think June, July are going to be massive, are going to be really, really big in general for the altcoin season. Like I said, there will be some retracing happening during this run, but I think we're going to fly from here to 50 cents really quickly, retrace, and then push forward. So it's going to be super, super exciting. From a Fibonacci point of view about where we are at the moment, and where we're going to be, next stop after 20 will be 25. And then from there, we're going to go around maybe 28 to 27 before we push for 35 and beyond. And where we're going to end up at the end of this bull run, I have no idea just yet. But I wanted to leave you with this chart, and I wanted to leave you with this long-term look at things, because if you look at things long-term, you can make some really, really clever decisions when it comes to Zilliqa, because I believe Zilliqa has so much to offer in 2021 and beyond. Now, if you did like the video and you learned something new, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, huge pleasure. Look forward to see you on the next one.